So I'm really excited to show this product which I bought a few days back. So this is the wireless lavalier mic. Nowadays these microphones got cheaper and technology got better. So this is one of the cheapest one that I could find, not cheapest one, but it is under the budget, like 1500 to 700 rupees. So this is GRENARO wireless mic lavalier microphone with charging case and compatible for Type C Android and iPhone. Also it has a noise reduction features for video recording and YouTube, Facebook live stream, blah blah blah, but it doesn't support the micro USB if you have one. So yeah, it's only Type C and the iPhone's lightning cable. So there is another version. This is the universal version. There is another version only specifically for Type C, but still this is I bought it as I was having a iPhone. So we are going to test this out fully, how it is actually performing with my existing lavalier mic, which is the Boya M1. Yeah, we'll quickly unbox it. So this one I bought it from Amazon, as you can see, and this is nearly some 1700. If you have an Amazon credit card, it will be like 1550. This is the J11. There is another model J13 which you can get 2-channel of microphone. This is only single one because I just want to test it out how it is actually working. So I just bought the single one. So right after you unbox, there will be one cover packaging. So I already peeled it off. So yeah, plug and play and 20 meters accessible reception, precise audio, clear timbre, and highly sensitive and widely compatible, and wireless microphone. And here you have Android version, generic version. So I am using the generic version. So I will be unboxing this. As soon as you unbox, you have this particular warranty card. Here they have suggested to send the email within a month you purchase, so that the warranty will get started. And here after this we have the product inside. So I can just take it, and inside that we have the manual. So there are a lot of good and useful features in this product. As we go unboxing one by one, I will explain you. So this is the normal. So this is the J11 model, which is the 1-to-1, and we have a 1-to-2, which is J13. Here inside this box you will get a bunch of cables. For example, this is the Type C, which is you can use it for charging and all, and this is Type C to 3.5 mm, which is for audio monitoring. So what and all you are recording, how it is actually sounding, you can lively record it. So that is great. And this is one of the thing that decides whether generic or Type C. So this one you can use it to connect from lightning to this one. So this is what I have to use it. So right after this we have the product inside. So bottom we have the Type C to charge. We have an indicator which will tell you whether it's charging or not. And yeah, that's all. We have this mic and then the connector. So this connector doesn't require any external power. It just directly take it from the mobile and it will just turn on. Here you have the light. If it is already turning on, why we have this Type C? Because when it is connected itself, you can charge your mobile. This is one of the great thing, because usually recording the video consumes a lot of battery. So if it is low battery when connecting mic, if you can't charge, means it won't be that great. So they have included this Type C, which will charge the device even when the microphone is connected. That is really good. Also, if you are using it for iPhone, you can charge your iPhone with the Type C. That is great. So this is the connection, how it works. So like this, you can connect this to your power bank or adapter. So you can directly charge your device. Second thing is this one you need to connect in the microphone. So as soon as you take it out, it will automatically it won't automatically turn on. So you are able to see this sticker, right? So this sticker was sticked in this place, so you need to peel it off so that these connectors will connect to inside that part to charge this device. So I have sticked it here. So here we have this clip, you can clip it in the shirt, and this is how you need to connect this one, and you can monitor the audio. So that's how it works. So how to pair? Well, the pairing process is pretty much simple. I will show you for only Android. iPhone also the same. You don't need any external apps because I have tested it. So this connector you can directly connect first. As soon as you connect, you can see this red light blinking, which means the device is not connected. This is turned on, but it is not paired with the mic. So here, if you long press, it will show green color. Now it means it is both are connected together. For example, if you didn't connect this one, means it will here it shows in pairing mode because it is unable to find the device. So you can just connect this one, and you can see now the microphone is connected. I would suggest open the camera up only after there is a successful connection. Also, there are some noise cancellation and reverb features for singing. So if you want normal noise cancellation one level, you can press one time. If it is blinking only one time, it is one level, and if you click again 2 times, it is blinking. So it is 2 level of noise cancellation. So if you are in quiet place, make sure you use it is 3 level now. So sorry, it's a reverb mode for singing and all 3 times. So it all the menu has all the details, so you can verify. So now it is in normal mode. So if you are inside the room, the noise is not that much great, means you better use normal mode. When you try to use the noise cancellation mode in the in calm environment, it will make your audio, it detects your audio as a noise. So that time it will make it as like a robotic voice or something. So better don't use noise cancellation if you are inside the room in the good ambient. So here you can see this is the MI's own camera app. From here I can have connected it, and there isn't any setting that I have set, because all the things are seems to be working by default, plug and play method. Now if I this one, it will automatically record it, so I will do it. Hello, mic testing. Hello. So I'm just hitting here. So in order to listen to the audio, you no need to what I would say, remove this one. From having that one only, you can listen. Hello, mic testing. Hello. So I'm just hitting here. See, so it just works directly. Same with the iPhone. So how it is performing and how it is different, I will show you after using it for a day or two. So yeah, once it is less charge, you can keep it inside this one, and this one also you can remove and just keep it here, and this one.
1 week later.
Let me start the recording. Yeah, so now I'm currently recording it from my iPhone. So here I have the GRENARO this wireless head for this one microphone. So I'm going to take this out, and this one, so this one is type C. So I have this one connector, which I'm going to connect with this one. Okay, so this one is not required, but still I will try test this out. So I also have an headphone with me. So second thing is how I'm going to connect, I will show it now. Whichever video you watched, that is directly from my iPhone's microphone. So it is actually in the back side, so but I'm using front camera, right? So I'm going to close this app camera and connect this one. Wait a second. Yeah, I just connected it, and here I'm going to long press and turn on. Okay, it is turned on, green color, which means it is connected. Here also you can see, I guess. Okay, so it is not visible, but let me open this one, and yeah, from here after you can see this one. So I will connect this one near to me. So now hello mic testing, hello. So you can find that currently it is in from this one without any noise cancellation or something. Tell me that how it is actually, whether it is good or not. The distance also in some 3 feet distance. So to check how it is actually working, my computer also running in full speed. And the next thing is this, today is summer, so I'm going to turn this on. So the fan is currently running. So are able to listen this fan? I don't know. So now let us check how this noise cancellation thing is working. So one time if I press, nothing is happening. So next time. So currently it is in level 1 noise cancellation. So how it is working, just let me know, because that is important. And this is the next level. Okay, so how it is happening, how my voice is actually, I believe it is just turning like a robotic one. And this is the third level. Yeah, this is the for singing and other things. So I'm not going to sing anything, but one thing that I'm going to do is, I have this headphone, this 99 rupees headphone, which I have put a video which you can watch. Now I'm going to connect this one with this type C, and I have to connect in here. Okay, now it is connected, so hopefully I can listen my own voice, I guess. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, I'm able to listen my own voice. That is great. uh, it has some latency, little bit of latency, but still this is a little bit robotic, yeah. And let me click it once again. Yeah, now it is in normal mode, so I am able to listen this fan noise also. So level 1. Yeah, so we are able to find this different, level 1 different and level 2. Yeah, yeah, actually noise cancellation is little bit fine so far. The price, see you. So battery wise, their brand is claiming that it can stand up to continuously 8 hours, but I don't think I'm able to check it exactly how much hours battery is going to last, because I'm not going to continuously 8 hours to record. Maximum I record for an hour or something. If that is that criteria is meeting, I'll turn off this fan. If that criteria is maintaining, it would be good. And the charging case, with the charging case, you can charge this one fully for 5-6 times, 80 hours they have mentioned. And the charging hour is 1 hour. 1 hour it takes to fully charge the what I would say, fully charge the case. So yeah, it is fine. So I was doubtful whether it supports in iPhone or something. So but it was working really great. So I should have bought that two channel one, but I'm not taking anyone interview or something. It just personally I'm recording for my own YouTube channel. If I go outside or something, definitely this would have been helpful. So yeah. So if I have to provide some disadvantage of this one, basically for me, no, I'm just too overwhelmed about this headphone, microphone when compared to my previous this one. It was especially when I think about connecting external microphone, it always headache. Sometimes it won't record with the DSLR. It has some issues. Battery also there, which also goes. So when compared to those things, I actually pretty much appreciate this one. But at the same time, there are some things which I would like to tell. The first thing is these connectors. So this one, I bought this case thing because it is like a headphone. I can just carry one case and it's fine. So I can keep this inside, and again I can just keep it inside. It just charges, and yeah, I can carry it. But the issue is the small thing, which is the connector to this one. They have a lot of space here, you can see, right? So here the space is there, in the top also there. They could have given one space to keep it, this connector also inside this one, so I can carry it along with this one. But so this one is separately, I have to put somewhere safer. Should not lost it. So that is really this one. So I can't carry only this one. I have to carry this one also if I am using it for iPhone. These are just nitpicking. So this one is really useful if I have a space to put inside the box. That is really important. Second, this connectivity and all is actually seamless. I have used this one also, the type C also working, charging the iPhone, which is really great. And the audio monitoring also we have checked. I'm really impressed with that. But this lighting indicator is fine, but if I click one time, it's two time blinking, means this one. But we don't exactly know which noise level it is currently in until unless we click the button. If we click the button, it will move to next one. Based on the next one, we need to decide what mode is currently in. So they could have given some three light or something. If it is one light is there, it is normal. Two light is noise cancellation. Three light is extra noise cancellation or something. So that would have been great, but still I should always record it in normal mode instead of noise cancellation when I am inside the studio. So that I have to make sure every time I have to press it and check whether it is there. But as soon as it's turned on, it will be in AA mode or normal mode. So yeah, this clip also fine. Yeah, there isn't much complaint about it. Battery backup, as I said, I will continuously be using. So if I find any discharge or something, if I have any issues, I will make sure to update in the comment section. So this is not a paid review or promotion. It just I have to use it for my video, so I bought it. So I am actually happy about the product. So yeah, thanks for watching. Code Moto.